Hi everyone, this is Mehul Mehta and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I really wanted to focus on why Indians are more successful in the US as compared to Indians, in India. What are something which I have noticed from like last more than like 4 years of my experience in United States. Few things which I wanted to say is first thing is there's no gossip in United States. I'll explain you why. See, first of all, what happens is in India, you need to be socially committed with your friends, with your relative. I recently visited India for a month, almost for like in like almost like I was there for 30 days. In 30 odd days, I was having lunch or dinner for almost like 15 to 17 days. And I was hardly getting time to do anything of my like my YouTube thing, my side reading, work helping students, a lot of other things. I was hardly getting time because of family commitment. Now, when I'm in US, I'm all alone. I have nothing to do. Okay. I'm not married. I have actually zero thing to do here except work, work, work. So what happens is your productivity just doubles up. So let's say even if my office gets over by 6 p.m., from afternoon 6 till the night, it's all alone. What will you do? Either you can do party, you can scroll Instagram, stuff like that, or you can go out on dates, but I'm neither of them. So what I do, I work on myself. And that's why I see a lot of people I've seen a lot of people after office work, they work on themselves. And that this is the main thing uh, that is making Indians more successful in the US. That is, uh, there's this term called in Hindi, which is panchayat. There's no gossip in here in US. Even if there is, it's very limited to very few people because here, like even if you see like people are in themselves only. They don't come and they don't see what are you doing, what are you working on. So I feel like that is one thing which I have felt over the years that I was able to work on a lot on myself as compared to like if I was the same person in India, I would have spent a lot of time with my family. Again, I really respect and value family time. It is not that I do not respect, I really enjoy family time. But again, certain years of your life, you need to work on yourself. You need to give certain years to yourself. And that's where I feel like a lot of people end up giving a lot of time to all these family functions, going out in marriages, going out in I was recently talking to a friend. He said, I said, where are you? He said, oh, I'm in this friend's son's birthday. This is his second birthday. So I came here to celebrate his friend's son birthday. I understand. I mean, it's an important part, but if we would have not gone, would have that have been created, like would that have stopped his friend to celebrate his son's birthday? No, not really, right? So this is the distinction. At least in US, I feel like there is no such thing, and in India it's too much of family functions. The point I'm saying is there's a lot of social obligation. If you really want to grow in life, make sure you reduce your social obligation. You have limited friends. I know people who have like 20 friends. People go, they go out with all these 20 friends. Here they have multiple groups. It's good to have social circle. But again, over the weekends, if you're not working on yourself, after coming from office, if you're not working on yourself, you will be behind the race. So first thing is, of course, you in US, we all dedicate a lot of time on ourselves. Second thing is definitely infrastructure, and motivation to do work. And this is the biggest thing I see, like in India, whatever you want to do, even if it's a startup, even if you want to start something new, even if you want to replicate some other business, there's a lot of pullback in India. Even if you want to do something, people will come and comment on what you are doing, even in your personal life, even in your professional life. But that is not the same in US. Why? Because people are they are really less worried about what you are doing. So you have a lot of bandwidth, you have a lot of freedom to work on your stuff. You can, let's say, work for a year. If it does not work, it does not work. You don't need to explain it to 10 people. But when it comes to India, even if you're working it every day, every day your friends will ask you, what are you working on, what are you doing? Your parents will definitely ask you, what are you doing? And there's a lot of pullback from the society itself. I know, okay, so I know a friend, he's trying to really pushing it hard to develop, to build his startup. And a lot of his father's friends say, oh, he has not even generated money for almost like last 6 months. Will this idea even work? And that's why, a lot of times our parents gets in this situation that their friends are saying, oh, your son is not doing, or your daughter is not doing anything. But I feel, if you're really passionate about anything, give time. Don't even if I know for a fact that in India there's a lot of pullback from a lot of people. Please don't hear to anyone. If you want to achieve your dream, if you want to build, if you want to do anything, let's say learn new hobby, let's say learn guitar. I mean, learn guitar. Just learn it. Go end to end in it. Whatever point I'm trying to say is, in US there's no pullback. There's a lot of freedom to do whatever you want to do. But again, freedom should be used in good ways and not bad ways, right? Now I've seen people here doing crazy stuff. Don't do that. What you should do is, see, if you're living so far from your family, and even in when I was in Bangalore also, okay, so I graduated from VIT University, Vellore, did my engineering from there. After graduating, I was there for a year in Hyderabad, then 2 years in Bangalore. Even during those 3 years, I knew I was away from my family. So I kept working hard, knowing that, oh, if I'm away, at least I should work hard, right? So please make sure, if you're in India, there will be a lot of pullbacks, right? In whatever you do, try to work on a lot of stuff, try to do a lot of hard work, try to put in good discipline, because this is something that will set you up. So this was, I feel, two major points which I felt, like I just thought of discussing with you. Like, see, I'll tell you honestly, like 6 years back, I felt, I was in 2018, 2019, right? Yeah, 2019. So 2018, I graduate, of course. As a student, no one values you, right? It takes a lot of time for, a lot of time to build your own stuff, like to do something which you're really passionate about. And it takes a lot of time for people to recognize you in your field. So point I'm just trying to say is, whatever you want to do, be it dancing, be it singing, be it anything, like say studies also, right? So I am very passionate about quant finance. Whatever your passion is, it's not necessary that it has to be quant finance. Whatever your passion is, just go all in, go all in, work super hard, work like crazy hours, because this is the time you can work. See, after you get married, there's, because when I talk to my friends, they all are married, they have a lot of responsibilities of their wife, of their children, and that's where your time reduces. So this is the time, if you are someone who is single, or even eventually, or who's not married, please make sure you give a lot of time to to building your skill set. And one common question that I mostly get is, how can I get good pay, or how can I get a good salary, or how can I generate revenue? Simple thing is, see, you can only generate revenue when you help people in some or the other way, right? So if you're helping, so, and you can only help people in some or the other way when you have the right technical skill set, or right skill set, not just technical, right skill set, I would say. Okay, so if in case, let's say I want to develop an app, I don't know how to develop an app. So what I do is I reach out to people, and someone quotes me some price, and I feel that the price is good enough. I'll ask the person to build the app for me, right? So this is the thing. People will only come to you when you bring in the skill set on the table. Make sure all these years, you have time. I know a lot of my audience is from age 17 to age 30 and even more. I would say, please focus on building your right skill set, technical skill set. Focus on a lot on communication. Very important skill set. How you communicate with people, have that confidence. I know it takes time. If I share my story, you'll go insane. So I was never a English speaker. I come from Rajasthan, Jodhpur. We speak our local language, which is Marwadi, or so at least I speak Hindi in my hometown. So very less exposure to English. And like when I used to speak, even I remember back in 12th also, if someone would have said, "How are you?" you know, I might have stuck, multiple times just to reply to that question. So I have come a long way. I have worked on a lot on my communication, a lot on my skill set. And see, this is the time, right? If you know that, oh, this is something which you lack, let's say your technical skill set, your communication, or whatsoever it is, please work on from day one, from today itself. Okay. So I hope this might motivate you or help you in some ways. Discipline very important. See, motivation does not go a long way, but discipline does. Whatever you want to do it consistently, disciplined, have a disciplined lifestyle. And I wish you all the best, and I hope you become very successful. All the best.